Hi guys! Good afternoon! Hapon na naman ako nag-start mag-vlog kasi I woke up early tapos I edited a video that needs to be up tonight. So, na-edit ko na siya, na-upload ko na siya. Actually, uploaded na siya. Scheduled to be up na lang siya tonight. Tapos, I filmed a makeup look. It's kind of like first impressions but not like a review. Parang I don't know. Basta, makeup look. I did this makeup look right here. Very simple. Ginamit ko yung Too Faced na semi-sweet chocolate palette. And then, I will film a whole video. Kasi, diba? Sayang naman yung ano ko. Pero, ang tsaka ng buhok ko today. I tried to curl my hair. And then, basta naging tsaka siya. So, I'm kind of hiding my veil, like, right there. Pero, yeah. Yun yung ganap ng aking buhok. I wanted to wrap yung presents ni Dan first before ako mag-haul kasi baka dumating na yung bigla tapos hindi ko pa na-wrap kasi I need to give him another gift tonight. So, yes, kompleto na actually yung gift ko. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado kahapon ko ano yung binili ko sa kanya and all that. But yeah, bumili ako ng shirt ng ano niya, ng favorite football team niya. So, meron siyang black noon. Tapos, binilhan ko siya ng gray para masuot niya sa Saturday. Kasi Saturday is yung birthday niya, diba? Tapos, merong away yung team niya sa Saturday. Ang dami niyang damit na, like, you know, yung team related. Meron siyang shorts. Then, yeah, it was actually kind of like a struggle para isipin ko ano yung mga pwedeng i-gift sa kanya. Tapos, binilhan ko din siya ng, you know what, ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Kuha lang ako ng wrapper dito. So, meron kami nito, parang pink at saka green. Parang pink at saka green. Hindi parang pink talaga yan at saka green talaga yan. Nasanay na ako na parang. Anyway, yeah. So i-wrap ko lang siya really quick. And then, maglalagay din ako ng note. Just like what I did yesterday. Okay, so ito yung binili ko sa kanya kahapon. Ito yung Port Power na shirt. Yan yung favorite football team niya. So, yan. Gray. Meron siyang ganyan black. Not exactly the same. Basta, parang polo shirt din na black. Tapos, binilihan ko rin siya nito. Pang, pwede niya itong suotin kapag tumatakbo siya. Meron siyang parang slot dito para sa headphones. So I was like, yes. And then, meron ng shorts na kasama. So, isa yan. Tapos, na-wrap ko na yung pantulog. Binilhan ko din siya ng pajama set. So, na-wrap ko na siya nasa kwarto na kasi tinago ko na. And then, ito, Versace. Hala, nasabi ko kay Kat, ibang brand yung binili ko. Versace pala. Pero yeah, looks like that. It's a cologne. So, yes. I-wrap ko yan. Yan. Parang ito yung final gift ko sa Saturday ko ibibigay. Ito bukas. Hala, ang dami ko na palang gift. Kung ito ngayong gabi. Hala, ang dami ko na palang gift. Kasi meron pang. Hala, ewan ko na. I'm done. Ito yung Versace. Tapos, ito yung pang final. Happy birthday. Yes. And then, ito yung pang running shorts at saka shirt niya. Sabi ko, because you are an athlete. Advance happy birthday. Lagi kasi siyang nagjo-joke na, I'm an athlete, whatever. Nanonood siya ng Olympics, like, you know, lagi yung nagjo-joke na athlete daw siya. Tapos kapag nag-uusap kami, biglang niya lang i-insert na parang ganyan talaga kapag mga athlete. Ganon-ganon. So, like, it's a joke sa aming dalawa na athlete siya. So, yeah, because you are an athlete. And ito yung pang running churva niya. So, everything is done. I'm gonna go ahead and film a video. You guys, I just finished filming a haul. And I'm eating this. Bigay sa akin to ni Kers. Ililive ko yung channel link niya below. Oh, it's Miss Kers ata. Yes, oh, it's Miss Kers. Kasi last time sabi ko, oh, it's me Kers. Oh, it's Miss Kers pala. Ito yun, oh, Pop Hearts. Ang yummers. I'm eating this right now. Medyo sumakit kasi yung tiyan ko. Kinaan ko kanina yung nasi goreng, yung leftover namin from kahapon, and sobrang spicy nun. Parang sumakit yung tiyan ko. Pero kanina pa yun eh. Siguro mga before 12 pa. Tapos ngayon gutom na ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras na. And yeah, I just did a haul. Dami ko ng makeup. Ang dami ko ng makeup. Binigyan kasi ako ni Kers ng makeup. Tapos binigyan din ako ni Nice ng makeup. Hindi ko alam kung anong video yung mauuna, ito or yung haul na yun. But salamat. As in, sobrang salamat sa inyong dalawa. Kaloka kayo. Yung kay Nice, nanalo ako sa giveaway niya. Pero late lang na-send or ganun. Kasi ang tagal ko nag-reply sa Facebook. Pero yeah. Now, yung problema ko is pagligpit na to, nakakalok. Yung talaga magligpit kasi diba nag-film ako kanina, so meron pa doon. Kailangan ko pa iligpit yung nandun, tapos yung nandito kailangan ko din iligpit. Loka. Ang ganda. Yung penmanship ni Curse though, kasi nag-open ako ng package niya, diba? Tapos meron siyang mga notes. Ang ganda ng penmanship ng babaeng ite. Sobra. Like, oh. Sobrang ganda. Kasi ako ang tsaka ng penmanship ko eh. Kahit na anong gawin ko, tsaka talaga ng penmanship ko. Nakita nyo naman, diba? Nakita nyo naman sa note ko kay Dan kanina, diba? Ang tsaka ng penmanship ko. Parang walang straight, hindi ako makaka-follow ng invisible na straight line. Like, kapag walang line, wala. It goes like kahit kung saan-saan lang yung penmanship ko. I'm rambling right now. I'm just gonna turn off the camera and see you guys later. Nandito na si Dan. Babe, I'm vlogging.
I like it.
Sorry? Hello. Nandito na si Dan. Ibibigay ko na lang sa kanya yung aking regalo. Kasi gagamitin niya yun ngayon. Kasi pantulog yun eh. Wait. Babe! I have something for you.
I never cry. Thank you for this.
You're welcome. Open it.
5 days of presents, is it?
Open it. Sige na, babe. Oh, this is from Curse. I opened her package today. Yeah.
Thank you, babe.
It's not just bottoms, it's a set.
Thanks, babe.
Sige na.
Nice.
Wear it.
Colour.
Wear it. Nice color, huh?
It is a nice colour.
I like it, yeah.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Show him. They haven't seen that. I didn't film it yesterday.
Okay.
But now you're gonna wear it. Yay! Look at you. Like an old man. You guys, nakatulog ako. I took a nap for how many minutes? Was it longer than 10 minutes? I told him na magdanap ako for 10 minutes, but I thought it was longer. I am cooking omelette. Mag-o-omelette kami kasi wala kami maisip na ibang dinner. So, andyan na yung capsicum at saka bacon bits. And then, nandito na yung egg. Sa kanya yan. Later na yung sa akin. So, lulutuin ko muna yan. And then, after nyan, tatanggalin ko siya dyan. And then, lulutuin ko yung omelette. Yes. Here's my omelette. Wait, where's the... Kuha tayo na spoon and fork. Spoon and fork. O na yun. Ito yung, ipakita ko sa inyo yung aking omelette, ha? Kasi meron siyang bacon, capsicum. Tapos nag-add din ako ng cheese right there. Dan's omelette. There. Done. He's cooking. What are you cooking?
Just
Onion.
onions.
Just onion. That's it. Just onions. Yeah, niya daw yun sa yung kanyang capsicum na lunch for tomorrow. Hello guys! Good morning! I just finished filming the first part and intro of my review on this baby right here. Ito yung wine lip tint. Sobrang cute! Isn't that so cute? Sobrang cute. This is in the shade Chandrai Orange. I don't know. Chardonnay Orange. Hello? Magandang pangalan yun, no? Chardonnay. Hi, I'm Chardonnay. Anyway, katapos ko lang mag-film noon. And then look at this. Kasi sinwatch ko siya sa kamay ko. And then hindi ko na siya matanggal. Ginamit ko lang din naman itong tissue. Pero yeah, hindi ko na siya matanggal. Ito yung shade niya. It's a lip tint. I should not talk about this because I'm doing a whole video about it. Like, why am I doing this to myself? Kailangan ko pang ligpitin yung... Tingnan nyo to si Dan. Kaloka tong taong to. Wala siya dito pero... Nakikita nyo yung couch? Kumain siya ng peanuts kagabi. Grabe ka messy kapag kumakain tong taong to. Tingnan nyo yan. Kaloka! Hello! Lunchtime! And I will be cooking. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, my Indomie. Lagi ko siya tinatawag na nasi goreng. It's Indomie. Yan yung brand ng noodles niya. And I know hindi siya healthy, pero you guys, it's so good. And ito na lang isa natira. After nito, hindi muna ako bibili ng instant noodles kasi I know hindi siya healthy. So, yes. Pero, pagbigyan nyo na ako, ito na lang mag-isa ng tara. And gusto ko mag-noodles. So, I'm gonna eat what I wanna eat. Hindi naman ito fitness channel, diba? So, hindi naman ito how to be healthy channel, diba? So, sorry naman. Huwag nyo na lang ako gayahin. Kung hindi nyo gusto yung mga kinakain ko, huwag nyo na lang ako gayahin. Okay? Kumain ka ng yung kainin nyo, kumain kayo ng vegetables. Mga fruits, like banana, ganon. And then, yeah, me, I'm gonna enjoy my noodles. Konting rice din. Carbs on carbs on carbs. Gusto ko lang tong i-share sa inyo. Chinek ko yung weather, sabi 32. Sabi ko, what? This is not 32. It's so cold. Tapos medyo umuulan pa ng konti. Tapos it's so windy. Kaya pala. Cebu pala to. Cebu City yan, te. Ito, wait. Ito yung dito. 12 degrees. Yan yung sinasabi ko eh. Mali eh. Mali. My noodles is ready. And then konting rice. And then I'm watching April Athena's cleaning routine video. By the way, you guys, merong nagsabi sa akin na nakita niya yung nasi goreng or Indomie na noodles sa Save More. Bakit ang puti-puti ng aking mukha? Parang sobrang puti na mukha ko because of my lip tint. Pero, blin eh. Pero, you know, available siya sa Save More. So, sa mga hindi I'm not sure kung saang Save More niya nakuha daw. Pero, i-check niyo yung Save More niyo kung merong available na Indomie. Tapos, i-try niyo. Kasi nakita ko yung price doon. 12 pesos lang siya. I-try niyo, guys. Yung hot and spicy yung i-try niyo. Hindi naman siya as in super spicy. So, it's okay. Believe me, it's okay. So, yummers. I-try niyo. And let me know kung na-try niyo na siya. And yes. You guys, I'm washing the dishes. Yung mga hindi ko pwedeng ilagay sa dishwasher. And I'm trying to remove this tint right here. Ayaw niya. Parang namumula-mula na yung kamay ko. Kasi scare knob ko siya nito. Kaloka, sakit pala nito. Sakit pala niya i-scrub sa kamay. Kaloka. Pero yeah, hindi pa rin siya natanggal eh. Nakalimutan kong i-wash to. So yeah, I'm gonna wash again. Tapos na sana ako eh. Tapos pag tingin ko dun sa likod, nandun pa yung nilutuan ko ng noodles. Kaloka. Hello. Nakatulog na naman ako. I slept for an hour, babe?
Yeah.
I was tired. It's not even my cleaning day, but I'm tired. Well, I did a lot as well. Nag-film ako, tapos nag-edit ako ng 2 videos, and then I did the laundry, and tinupi ko yung mga so yeah. It's a productive day after all. Punta kami sa bahay ng mama niya. Ngayon yung dinner instead of Wednesday. Kasi yung anak ng kuya niya, school na ulit. So ayun nilang palabasin sa Wednesday. So ngayon na lang. Are you ready, babe?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Yep, Ray's got this for my birthday.
Yeah, right. Katatapos ko lang i-film yung final update ng aking review. And then, kararating lang din namin sa bahay. Like, pagkarating namin, nag-film agad ako nung closing ng review ko. We'll see kung matatanggal ko to ng madali. I don't think so. Kasi it's been on my lips for like, I don't know how many hours. But yeah, we had a really good dinner sa bahay ng mama niya. We had pasta with meatballs, so it was really good. Tapos cheesecake din, kasi parang nag-celebrate na din sila ng birthday niya at saka ng kambal niya. So yeah, merong ganyong ganap. And babe, people have been asking me why I don't vlog around your family. I just don't want them to feel uncomfortable. Because, you know, I will be uncomfortable as well vlogging around them. I mean, I don't see myself vlogging around them. Sobrang saya nila kasama. Like, I don't wanna, like, you know, ruin the mood. And ayoko maging awkward yung ibang tao kasi I have my camera on, you know? So yeah, yun yung dahilan. Pero, I will go ahead and wash my face. Today is Friday. Okay, I'm gonna put on a mask. Hello! I'm watching Laura Lee's video, yung Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette. My gosh, meron namang bagong palette yung Naked. No, not Naked, Urban Decay. Meron naman silang bagong Naked palette. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I'm gonna watch her review while washing my face. Oh my gosh, I forgot about this. Siguro mga 2 nights na ako hindi nakagamit nito. Naka-display naman siya dyan, pero lagi ko nakakalimutan. Well, 2 nights. Yeah, nakalimutan ko siya ng 2 nights. Magmamask ako today. Gagamitin ko yung gelato na rub-in mask. Yung may pistachio. Nakuha ko to sa BB bag. Ito yung medyo, ito yung na-feature ko sa previous vlog ko. Nasabi ko, mahapdi siya sa mukha. After third time na ginamit ko siya, hindi na siya ganun kamahapde. So, siguro parang nasanay na yung mukha ko or I don't know. Meron pa rin siyang minty feel sa kanya, pero hindi na siya ganun kahapde. Yung medyo downside lang dito, which siguro para sa iba hindi downside, pero sa mga tamad na katulad ko, medyo downside is you need to wash it off. Pero, like, tamad ako, pero parang satisfying din kasi sa akin na nililinis ko yung mukha ko. So, okay din sa akin yung mga ganun. Pero kapag papipiliin ako kung ganito, wash off mask or peel off mask, I prefer peel off. Pero kailangan ko ubusin to eh. Hindi naman sa kailangan ko ubusin, pero ayoko din naman sayangin, diba? And sobrang dami pa niya, you guys. I will show you. Nagamit ko na to siguro 4-5 beses na. And look at that. Sobrang dami niya pa rin. Kasi you do not need a lot. Okay, ibigay natin kay Dan yung regalo ko sa kanya. Ito yung regalo ko sa kanya tonight. Yung pang running na shirt at saka shorts. So, nakalagay because you're an athlete. Advance happy birthday. So, let's go.
Oh, no. You have to film your kiss.
No, I don't have to film.
Mwah. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
You can feel it. Can you see?
No, you're welcome.
I'm an athlete.
You're an athlete, are you? They already saw it.
Running shorts. Running shorts or a top? Shorts and a top. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Too many presents.
Nah, not too much. It's alright. Look at the front of that, babe.
This one?
Yeah, the front. You can put your headset right here in the hole.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
Very nice.
Yay. I have the same mask on. He's watching my vlog and meron akong mask sa vlog na yun. Anyway, that's it for this vlog, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. And, oh, birthday na niya bukas. So, it's gonna be his birthday tomorrow. Or in a few hours. And he will be 34.
24.
Good old damn. 24. Some people will believe that. It's like, what? Anyway, yeah. That's it for this vlog. Advance happy birthday, babe.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye. Good night.